Do you have tight hips, stiff ankles? Try this deep squat stretch. It opens up your hips, improves ankle mobility, and decompresses your lower back. Just a few minutes a day can transform your squat form, posture, and movement quality. Let's get to it. First, you're gonna stand tall. Bring your feet shoulders width apart or slightly wider. Squat all the way down till you reach the bottom of your range. It might be uncomfortable, but get to the lowest point. Now, stick your elbows inside of your knees and push your knees out of the way. That will add an extra stretch to this beautiful stretch already. Hold this. Now, take a look from the side. You want to maintain your upright posture as much as possible. So get your back as straight as possible. Don't curl it, right? Keep your head forward or slightly up. That will help you maintain it. Scale it down. If you cannot do it right away, hold on to something like a post or a rail and get as low as you can until you progress to do it for at least a minute. Good luck.